Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize buttons on Evernote. So let's get started. First, open your Evernote application. Tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon. There you can find Create Button option. Tap on it. Now select the changes. And then tap on Save Changes button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can customize buttons on Evernote. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.